Students will be back in the classroom for full-time in-person instruction and the return to a near normal start to school in September. Based on guidance from the Office of the Provincial Health Officer, students will no longer be grouped into cohorts or learning groups. Pending further public health guidance, it's also expected that current restrictions on gatherings, extracurricular activities, and sports will be relaxed in time for the new school year. Today, we're announcing a total of $43.6 million. This includes new COVID-specific one-time funding of $25.6 million for the next school year. And that is on top of the $7.1 billion we announced in Budget 2021 to operate K-12 schools in BC.
Our goal, in particular for our schools, is to get to the point that we can take the same approach that we do now with other communicable diseases, whether it's influenza or measles, where we can manage them on a local basis, on an individual basis, without having those broad impacts on society that we have had this past year. The safety layers we use today are very important tools in our toolbox, and we will need to be ready to use them if needed as we move into the fall. But some we'll be able to take away, and we've talked a little bit about some of those today. Others will continue. We will always need to clean our hands regularly. We know that's important. Staying home when you're sick, getting tested if symptoms develop. We are on a very good trajectory, but I will reassure everybody we will be watching this carefully and will continue to do so as we move through the summer, and we'll be developing our plans in concert with all of the team at the provincial level to make sure that schools are ready in the fall.